I purchased this set of stainless steel flatware to level up my holiday table settings. I was a bit worried knowing they're not a well-known brand, but I have to say that I'm really happy with what I received. The finish on these is absolutely beautiful. They feel heavier but not too heavy, and the finish doesn't look dull or overly spotty and washed out, but rather looks of good quality. I purchased 2 sets in the cube mirror color, each of which comes with 4 large forks, 4 small forks, 4 table knives, 4 large spoons, and 4 small spoons. So it's really a complete setting. I chose this particular color because I wanted a set that was modern yet timeless. As much as a set from a known flatware brand was appealing to me, I didn't love anything enough to invest in. I also didn't want to spend a small fortune only to lose a spoon and have an incomplete set, because we've all experienced that and it's frustrating. I hand wash these when I receive them because I really want to keep them looking pristine for my tablescape, although the box does say they can go in the dishwasher. But since I plan on using these for special occasions only, I will continue to hand wash them to keep them looking shiny. In fact, they're so reflective, I had to be careful when shooting this video to make sure you wouldn't see my messy hair. So if you're looking to level up your table for a holiday dinner and you don't want to break the bank, I highly recommend this timeless set.